Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How about that? Two videos in the same month. I've got a couple of things. I've been really struggling with getting inspiration to build something, and I've tried to come into the bench several times over the last couple of months, and I'm thinking I'm wanting to get after building something, and then I get in here and I don't feel like doing anything. It's been a very frustrating ordeal. Um, so anyway, okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. I had to get some things together here. So anyway, yeah, I've just been kind of struggling with getting excited to build something. So there's a fairly new channel out there. It's called DK Scale Auto Workshop. Uh, David over there has a fairly new channel, but it is growing rapidly. It took me, oh, 13, 14 years to get to 800 plus subs, and he's there already. And I think his channel, he's only had his channel going for, well, I just found it about maybe a month ago. I don't know. I don't think it's been going much longer than a month, or a couple of months anyway. But he had posted a video about an HO scale automotive diorama that he did, and that kind of piqued my interest. Um, so let's see here. I'm going to get to this one here shortly. So I went to this website, Bar Mills Scale Model Works, and yeah, it just came in the mail today. I ordered up a little HO scale diorama, which I believe is like 186 or 187 scale, because I don't have a lot of room in the house to build a big diorama. I don't have anywhere to put it. Honestly, girlfriend's telling me that I don't have anywhere to put this one, but I feel a I don't know, a little bit of a flame lit up inside of me, and so I haven't opened it yet. It just came in the mail today, so I thought I would open it with you guys, and let's see what we got. I've never ordered from this company before, but they make some really cool. It's mostly for railroad stuff, but they have some HO scale cars, and so I'm going to do kind of an automotive diorama. Let's see what we got in here. So looks like the company's Woodland Scenics, and I think it's a 55 Chevy pickup that's got a little bit of weathering on it. That's pretty cool. It's also pretty small. I've never done anything in this scale. Let's see what the next thing I have here. Oh, this is a couple of junk cars. I think they're 40. One of them's like a 40 Ford, and it looks like you get to assemble it. But they're junkers, and I'm thinking on my diorama I'm just going to have these sitting out alongside the building. I'm going to have to figure out. I think I'm going to use foam for my layout. And then I got some Woodland Scenics from Woodland Scenics as well, auto mechanics. So I thought and they're already painted up, ready to go. I don't know. Again, guys, I don't know anything about this stuff. It just looked really cool, and it was something that I kind of wanted to mess with. It might be somewhat entry level, which is fine with me because I've never Never messed with anything like this. And then this is the model kit of the actual building. It's called Earls Oil Company. I think they've got some of their other kits here on the back. Let me see. I can open this really fast. Yeah, it looks like it's laser cut out of wood. I'll just kind of show you guys what it's looking like. It looks like I got some oil or barrels for fuel and all sorts of things I got. And this looks like it's the building. This is really cool. I've got some research I need to do because again, I've never built anything like this. Who knows, I'll probably get myself in a mess and make a mess out of it, but we're gonna give it a shot. And then this is here. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. But that's kind of what it's going to look like, or something like what it's going to look like. Now, whether or not it looks like that when I'm done, that's a whole other story. But yeah, you're seeing this with me, guys. You saw me open the box. I don't do open box stuff, but this was a little bit of a different project for me, and I just kind of wanted to share it with you. I know most of you follow me for model car stuff, not railroad buildings. I'm not getting into railroad. I'm strictly doing this as an automotive diorama. The railroading's really cool. Those guys, there's a couple of channels I'm following, and they do some amazing weathering on buildings and stuff like that. So I'm gonna definitely be watching that. And then these are some of the signs for the building. So yeah, that's that for the most part. Next thing, and I think I did a video on this back when excuse me, back when Tom sent me this at Rambler 69. I was working on that 29 Roadster at the time. He sent me this a couple years ago, and I had goofed on it. It's pretty particular about which engine you have to use. They give you an option, but you can't mix and match. They've got an engine for the low boy and the other engine's for the high boy. And I wanted the blower engine in the high or in the low boy, and things weren't going together properly. So I was chatting with Tom, Rambler 69, and he set me straight. And then next thing I know, I'd got this in the mail. And again, I think I did a video on this a couple of years ago. And on that box was a sticky note that said, "Use this kit and spare parts to build a bitchin' hot rod. Old Tom." So I think he sent me some pictures of one of his builds. I know he did a video on it, but I think I'm going to do something with this. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this first or if I'm going to try to tackle the HO scale Earls oil and try and maybe get this diorama going and just maybe do something different and see if I can get my creative juices flowing again. Anyway, guys, this one's getting long. Hope everybody's having a good start to the week, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.